My name's Mike Roberts and I'm a Group Director of SERS. The company was launched in South Wales back in 1990 and we're very proud of that, and specialised in specialist external render systems, more commonly known now as solid wall insulation. To support really the business and our entrepreneurial flair which we have, it's important that you have the right systems and processes in place. So you have to practice what you preach, and we've been doing this and putting structures in place to ensure that we're giving people within our organisation plenty of opportunity to grow, but also importantly giving more opportunity to bring new members of staff into the business.
We've seen for the future that we need to passionately engage with apprentices and the upskilling of our workforce through training and development. We have a key part to play in the development of people from the community that we work within. We have just started our academy, which will have training facilities to do both of those things. From us planning for the future, we've been able to sustain growth in an environment that's been very hard for everybody. That we give the people the right tools to be able to do their job through training and personal development has allowed us to sustain it and continue growing.
Our key aim as an organisation, and for me being a director, being a responsible business, really is about profit. I really want to emphasise that because sometimes people see profit as a dirty word, but without being profitable you can't invest and you can't provide long-term job security and actually increase the number of people that you're actually employing too.